The standard advice in income investing is simple. Higher yield means higher risk and an eventual dividend cut. Most people accept that to get a 6 or 7% yield, you have to risk your principal. But what if I told you there is a strategy paying double that amount, with some funds maintaining a consistent monthly payment for over 20 years without a single cut? This is the secret data Wall Street does not want you to analyze. The fundamental rule of this game is, defaulting to safe dividend stocks is often the most expensive mistake you can make. While you settle for 3% from a savings account or chase after a risky meme stock, you are actively losing purchasing power to inflation. If your money is not generating a consistent 10% monthly yield, you are trading your finite time for a currency that is rapidly losing value. In this next 20 minutes, I am pulling back the curtain on the exact legal structure, the specific closed-end fund ticker, and the precise mathematical framework that separates the income elite from the panic sellers. I'll show you how to generate a true 10% monthly yield from diversified assets that cannot be cut. Stop guessing. Let's look at the actual math. To understand how a 10% yield can be safe, you first have to understand the difference between a regular stock and a closed-end fund, or CEF. Unlike a traditional mutual fund that creates new shares every time someone invests, a CEF has a fixed number of shares. This allows the fund manager to use advanced strategies like leverage and covered calls to amplify the income without selling the underlying assets. Think of a CEF as a high-performance engine. While a standard ETF like VOO or SPY is built for slow and steady growth, a CEF is engineered specifically for immediate distribution. By law, these funds must pay out the majority of their earnings to shareholders. This is why you see a 10% yield here while the rest of the market is struggling to hit 2%. But here is the catch that most beginners miss. Not all CEFs are created equal. Some are yield traps that pay you back your own principal just to keep the percentage high. To find the safe 10%, we have to look at the NAV, net asset value. If the NAV is stable or growing while paying 10%, you've found a gold mine. If it's falling, you're in a trap. Most retail investors make the fatal mistake of yield chasing. They see a fund paying 15% or 20%, and they jump in blindly, not realizing that the fund is actually destroying itself to pay that dividend. This is called return of capital, ROC, in a destructive way. If a fund pays you 10% but its share price drops by 15%, you aren't making money, you are losing it. To find the safest 10%, we use the sustainability test. We look for funds where the total return, which is the dividend plus the price growth, stays positive over a 5 to 10 year period. If a fund survived the 2020 crash and the 2022 rate hikes without cutting its distribution, that is a massive green flag for us. Today we are focusing on one specific sector that is currently on sale due to high interest rates: private credit and senior loans. These aren't your typical tech stocks. These are the engines of the economy. And because they charge floating interest rates, they actually make more money when the Fed keeps rates high. This is where our 10% is coming from. Let's get into the specifics. The first fund on our list is the PIMCO Corporate and Income Strategy Fund, ticker symbol PCN. This fund is an absolute legend in the income world. While thousands of other funds crashed or cut their dividends during the 2008 financial crisis and the 2020 lockdowns, PCN did something remarkable. It kept paying its investors every single month without fail. That is over 24 years of uninterrupted checks. Right now, PCN yields approximately 10 to 11% depending on the day you buy. But what exactly is inside this fund? PIMCO doesn't just buy regular stocks. They specialize in high-yield corporate debt and mortgage-backed securities. They are essentially acting as a high-level bank for massive corporations. When these companies pay interest on their loans, that cash flows directly into PCN and then into your pocket. But I have to give you a warning. PIMCO funds often trade at a premium to NAV. This means you might be paying $1.10 for every $1 worth of assets. For many, the 24-year track record makes that premium worth it. But you need to know exactly why you are paying more. It's the price of safety and professional management that has survived every storm for 2 decades. Now, if paying a premium for a fund like PCN makes you nervous, you're going to love our second pick. This is the BlackRock Multi-Sector Income Trust, ticker symbol BIT. Unlike PIMCO, BlackRock is the largest asset manager in the world, and BT is currently trading at a discount to its net asset value. This means you are essentially buying $1 worth of world-class assets for about 92 or 93 cents. BIT currently offers a staggering 10.5% monthly distribution. It achieves this by investing in a massive multi-sector basket. Everything from high-yield corporate bonds to floating-rate bank loans. Because BlackRock has billions of dollars in data and technology like Aladdin AI, they can spot risks before they become disasters, keeping your monthly check safe even when the broader market is volatile. When you buy a fund at a discount, you have a margin of safety. If the market stays flat, you still collect your 10%. If the discount closes and the fund price moves back up to its real value, you get a capital gain on top of your monthly income. It's a win-win scenario that most investors completely overlook because they only focus on popular stocks like Apple or Tesla. Now we are moving into a sector that almost no income investor talks about: healthcare. Usually people buy healthcare for growth, not income. But the Aberdeen World Healthcare Fund, ticker symbol THW, has flipped the script. It has been paying approximately 11.67 cents every single month since its launch in 2015. That is nearly 11 years of consistent 10 to 11% yield without a single reduction. Why healthcare? Because it's recession-proof. People don't stop needing medicine or surgeries just because the stock market is down. THW holds over 110 different positions, including pharmaceutical giants, biotech, and medical equipment companies. It uses a small amount of leverage to boost that income, ensuring that you get a heavy slice of the global healthcare profits every 30 days. But here is the Jake-style warning you need to hear. Some analysts are concerned about the NAV pressure on THW. Because biotech can be volatile, you shouldn't put all your eggs in this one basket. It works best as a satellite position, a high-octane booster for your portfolio, not the entire engine. Understanding this balance is what separates professional income seekers from gamblers. If you want a yield that is truly bulletproof, you have to look at energy midstream. These are the specialized companies that own the massive pipelines and storage tanks that move oil and gas across North America. Think of them as the toll booths of the energy world. They don't actually care if the price of oil is $100 or $40 a barrel. They get paid based on the total volume of product moving through their high-tech pipes. As long as people are heating homes and driving cars, the tolls keep coming in. This business model is incredibly boring. But in the world of high-yield investing, boring is beautiful because it is predictable and safe. Many of these companies offer rock-steady yields that hit that sweet 10 to 12% mark, creating a massive foundation for your monthly paycheck. While most stocks pay you every 3 months, the elite 10% funds we are discussing today pay you every single month. This creates a massive psychological and financial advantage. Think about it, your bills, like your rent, car note, and groceries, come in every 30 days. Why shouldn't your income match that schedule? Monthly dividends eliminate the stress of waiting for a quarterly check and allow you to reinvest that cash 12 times a year instead of just 4. This accelerates the power of compounding, turning your portfolio into a subscription for wealth. Instead of paying a monthly fee to Netflix or Spotify, you are receiving a monthly paycheck from the world's most profitable companies. Now let's talk about the most powerful weapon in your financial arsenal: the DRIP, or Dividend Reinvestment Plan. This is how you turn a steady 10% yield into a life-changing fortune. When you enable a DRIP, you aren't taking the cash out to buy a cup of coffee. Instead, you are instantly using that dividend to buy more shares of the same fund. This creates a powerful feedback loop. Next month, you own more shares, which means you get an even bigger dividend, which buys even more shares. Over time, your original investment could eventually be yielding 20% or even 30% on your initial cost. This is the exact strategy that turns a modest monthly investment into $1 million retirement fund without you ever having to lift a finger. Building a 10% yield portfolio isn't about getting lucky or gambling on the next meme stock. It's about becoming a disciplined collector of high-quality monthly income. We've covered the power of PCN, the discounted value of BIT, and the recession-proof stability of THW. But remember, the daily price of the stock market is just noise. The only thing that truly matters is the cash flowing into your account every single month. You now have the blueprint to stop trading your time for a paycheck and start living life on your own terms. If you found value in this deep dive, hit that subscribe button and join our community here at the Debt Ledger. Share your favorite dividend fund in the comments below. Let's build real wealth together.